What's up, guys? It's me, Liddy Marie. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm coming today to show you what I've been doing during quarantine. Okay, I've been shopping. I've really been shopping. I got a box from Ulta today, so I figured I would come and just talk to you guys and show you, do a little bit of unboxing and show you guys some things that I have been purchasing over these last few weeks. I've been using my Ulta points like crazy and gaining more Ulta points because I'm a platinum member, I believe. Whatever it is, when you gain like a 1.5 every time you shop, I'm well on my way to the next level, believe that. But I just figured I would come here and show you guys some of the items that I've purchased, some skincare, lots of makeup, a couple of things you've seen before in the previous videos, but Ulta, Target, they've been getting my coins. So if you'd like to see what I've purchased and do a little unboxing with me for a couple things I got today, I hope that you will stay tuned. So we'll start off with the makeup that I've been using or purchasing. I really like these e.l.f. lip lacquers. I always say lacquers, but I believe they're e.l.f. lip lacquers. And these are their lip gloss. And someone said, and even I feel like they're a good inexpensive duplicate for some of the Fenty gloss bombs. For instance, this one, which is in Love Bite, is a really good dupe for the Fenty hot chocolate. If you go back and watch my last video that I posted last week on the e.l.f. 3-pan shadows, you'll see that I use this one, and you can see the comparison that I did between this one and the Fenty. So I picked up this one first in Fantasy, which is a rose gold. And then today I got 2 more in the mail because I really like those so much. I'm wearing one of them now. So I ordered 2 more from Ulta. They didn't have the other ones that I really wanted at Target, because otherwise I would have just gone and picked them up. But I ordered these 2 from Ulta. This one, this pink one, is called Moody. It's a nice rose pink. And I'll give you a little swatch. It's a really nice color. It's very pigmented. They have a little smell, but not overwhelming. It smells good, though, in a good way. And then this is the one I was most excited about. This is Mauve Glitz. And this is the one that I feel like is really a good duplicate for Fenty Gloss Bomb, the original one, right? The Fenty Glow. So I'm going to swatch that one. I'm going to swatch this one. And then I'm going to swatch the Fenty so I can show you. If I can get a good swatch, I hope. That's a good one. And then I'm going to swatch the Fenty Glow, the original one. And I'm going to show you how similar in shade that these are. The Fenty is slightly darker. But see? Very similar. So, $18. $3. These e.l.f. glosses are $3 at Target and at Ulta. So I had to stock up on them. I've been obsessed with lip gloss lately, not so much lipstick. I kind of feel like I have all the lipstick that I need, except for one orange lipstick that I'm on the hunt for. So if you know a good orange lipstick in stock, an actual lipstick, put it down below for me. I would appreciate it. But those glosses are $3. They are a great bargain. They last. They're not sticky in any way. So I went ahead and got some more. I wanted to make sure I had the whole collection, and I think now I have all but one color. So e.l.f. lip glosses, the lip lacquers, definitely a good purchase. I've also been really into buying bronzers lately. So I got a bronzer from Nars when it was on sale from Sephora, and I got this mini Laguna. And I believe this was only $15, and I think it normally retails for like $32 or $36. This is one bronzer that I've really been digging. I've been doing a lot of not just bronzing, but even when I don't feel like a heavy cream contour, I've been using that Nars Laguna as my actual contour. I also have one from e.l.f. This is a more affordable option, obviously. This one from e.l.f. and this is called Constantly Bronze. This is a very nice shade as well. I think this is more of a perfect, my actual summer color. So when we're able to go back outside and tan, I'll be able to kind of, you know, put this on and really be looking sun-kissed. But bronzers have been my jam, right? So I've been seeing a lot of reviews about Makeup Revolution bronzers, and these Revolution Glow, which are the brand new ones. And this is a Splendor matte bronzer. I got this in the mail today with my Ulta order, and I opened it, but I haven't swatched it. Just from looking at it though, it may be a little bit cool toned for my skin. And what I mean by cool, that when I put it on, it may look a little bit like it's gonna wash me out versus making me glow. I'm gonna have to try it. I haven't tried it on yet. I'm gonna do a look with it and see how it looks. But look how huge this pan is, you guys. Look how big this daggone bronzer is. It's humongous. I can see why the girls have been going up for it, because you get a lot of this for your money. And I think, let me see. This bronzer was, I thought I had the price on here. I think it was like $10 at Ulta. But look how much product you get. And even with the e.l.f., this was only $6, and look how much product you get. I mean, for bronzers, this is a lot. Unless you use a bronzer every day, this is a great amount of product. So bronzers, they've also been my jam. I'm very much looking forward to delving back into them, because it's not always something that I've always worn. But now that I really know how to use them and really get into it, I can see the accent that they really add to my skin. And I actually like that more than doing a heavy contour. That's just my personal preference though. Okay guys, we'll go ahead and jump into my second favorite makeup product after eyeshadow. You already know what it is. Blush. Okay, again, e.l.f. blushes. e.l.f. blushes, they have come, and I'm telling you, they are coming for the girls. They're coming for the more expensive girls with these pigments, with these palettes, with this primer infused blush that is so smooth to apply and so silky. It's just outrageous. I showed you guys the one that I put on last week during my e.l.f. video with the bite-sized eyeshadow. This is the Always Rosy pink, but I also picked up, and I haven't had a chance to do a look with it yet, but it is coming, this beautiful orange blush. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like literal fire. It's so pretty. And this one is called Always Fiery. So this is another e.l.f. primer infused blush. It was only $6 at Ulta. It is a huge pan, okay, huge. So you get a ton of product with these e.l.f. blushes. I would definitely recommend, if you're getting into blush, if you're new to blush and you don't want to spend a lot of coin, e.l.f. is your girl. Okay, speaking of coin, I have the e.l.f. blush palette, the dark one. You guys, I have been waiting to get my hands on this palette. I wanted this palette before I got the light palette. I've had the light palette for a couple of months now, but this one is stepping on next. I have to show you the difference, okay? Look how rich and pretty these colors are. You already know what the light one looks like. I've gotten some use out of this one. I really love these right here in particular, but look at this dark palette. Come on, right? You get 4 really nice size pans for $8, and it's really a good way to really get into blush. So I'm very excited about this. I've been waiting, and it was out of stock for so long. I just so happened to browse, that's my story, to be browsing Ulta, and I was like, oh, they have that e.l.f. palette in stock. So I went ahead and copped it. I mean, $8 for 4 blushes. You really, truly cannot beat that. Lastly, for my makeup purchases, this eyeshadow palette from Nars, the AfterGlow palette. It's just, look, I mean, oh my God, I've been using this a lot, like almost with every look that I've had lately, as you can tell by the pan and the colors. Look at that. I think I got it maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, something like that. It's so gorgeous. It is pricey. I'm not gonna lie to you. You guys know I'm a bargain shopper from heart. I just am. But this is Nars. And if you think of Nars, you think of Nars quality, okay? So you're going to get the quality. This is a 12 pan eyeshadow, okay? It retails at Sephora and Ulta for $59. I know. I can hear you now. Girl, blah, blah, blah. I know. It was a splurge for me too. This has been in my cart on both Ulta and Sephora for so long, and every time I would go to buy something, I would leave it for later. Like, and I was like, one day I'm gonna bite the bullet and I'm gonna get this Nars palette. I've been eyeing this AfterGlow palette forever, and it came out, I think, in December, so it's not brand new, but it's new to me. And I've had it in my cart, and I bit the bullet and I got it, and I don't regret it because it's beautiful. Every eyeshadow in here is absolutely beautiful. You get pops of color down here at the bottom. You get a lot of shimmers. You get mattes, and you get Nars quality. I mean, come on. You are paying for the name. You are paying for the quality that is Nars. So I don't regret it. It's beautiful. You know, if you want it, I would give it a thumbs up, to be honest. Like, it's a splurge, but to me, it was worth it. So you let me know if you're gonna get it though. I want to see. Guys, so let's jump into some skincare. I have been using some items. I bought these a couple of months ago. No, maybe about a month ago I got them. And some of the things I love, some of the things I don't love so much. One thing I just got today that I'm gonna try, and I will report back with a new skincare video, and that is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Set. I got this from Ulta. This is the trial size, so you can get, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 products in here for skincare for $39. Amazing. When you check the price of these items on their own, 4 items of this is a Korean skincare line. You get this for $39. It's a perfect way to try products, you guys. When you're shopping for skincare or something new, you don't know if you're gonna like it, you don't know if your skin is gonna try it, don't buy the big bottles. If you can avoid it, try to get the travel sizes. Try to get like these little kits, these little tryout kits to see how your skin is going to love it and react. So that is exactly what I did with this Peach and Lily Glass Skin, and I don't want to tip it over, so I'm just going to show you like that. I'm excited to use it. I've heard really great things. It comes with an essence, it comes with a cream, it comes with a serum and a cleanser, so you get a whole skincare routine in a nice size. Actually, this is a very nice size for travel size for Peach and Lily, and I got this from Ulta again for $39. I will be trying this tonight, and I will keep some notes on it for the next couple weeks and report back post haste. So the next thing I have is some deep cleansing oil, and this is from DHC Love. This is such a great oil. Again, I got this from Ulta in a trial size, or the travel size, I should say. I want to go and get the bigger bottle when I can. I've been using this for about 3 weeks, and it is a cleansing oil. So after I wipe my makeup off with a makeup wipe, I'll go over my face with this, and this really like lifts the makeup off, lifts the dirt off. I mean, gives your face a great cleanse, you guys. And I was skeptical because I'm like, you know, sometimes with my skin, oil on my skin, it doesn't do so great. So, you know, I was like, let me get the smaller package just to see how I like it. As my motto is, you can say it with me, try before you buy, okay? So getting this little trial size, I've been using it, absolutely love it. This is the DHC cleansing oil. I have dry skin. I know girls with oily skin who still use this, and they love it as well. So I would definitely recommend this product. So the last 2 products are both Korean skincare, or K-beauty as well. And this is a CorsX acne pimple patch. And they are little patches that you can put on. Let me see if I can open it. Maybe I can open it. Here we go. You open them, and they have different size dots that you can place over the zit or the pimple that you have, and it will help reduce the redness. It's supposed to help you reduce the redness and the inflammation of a pimple. They're made just for one, so you have different sizes in here. And I think I got this little pack of 24 patches from, I think from Ulta. I'm gonna say Ulta, and if I find the price, I will put it down below because I can't remember the price, but it's not bad for 24. As far as them working for me, they do, you know, they kind of take the redness out. For me, it doesn't work like super fast. Like, you know, I wake up the next morning, I'm like, oh, my pimple's not red anymore. It's still red. So they work. They're just not like, for me, an amazing fix to a zit or anything like that. So you can try them. I've heard great things about them. This is the smaller pack. I believe they have a huge pack. But again, I got the small pack just so I can see how it works for me. So the last thing I want to talk about is my new favorite night cream, and this is from Acure, and this is the brightening night cream. I hope you can see that. I see my camera's kind of out of focus here. And this is the brightening eye cream. It has, brightening night cream. It has argan oil, chlorella, and echinacea, and it's for all skin types. It has a brightening, the echinacea is supposed to help you with the brightening, but it's very, very rich. So if I put on a dot, like literally a pea-sized dot on my finger and rub it into my face, it literally goes a long way. Like a little bit of this goes a long way, which is why I've been able to have this little bitty bottle for so long. I've had it for about going on a month now with this one. And again, with me wanting to try out products on my skin first before I come and say, oh, this is great, this is great. It has been working a great deal with my skin, and with me adding in vitamin C to my skin as well, I've noticed a difference in the brightness and the texture. So I've really been liking this. This is another one that I'm going to go back and buy the full size bottle of, because this is a trial size again. So when I'm finished with this one, I'm going to go back and get it because it's really been working well. I like a night cream that is thick and that I feel like it can saturate my skin without it feeling heavy, and this one does it. I don't know what the texture is, but like they say on the bottle, a little bit really truly goes a long way. So my skincare is really stepping up. You know, I like to take care of my skin as much as I love makeup. I want to take care of my skin too. So buying skincare and makeup, it goes hand in hand for me. So guys, that about wraps it up with my unboxing with all my goodies from Ulta, from Target. I mean, Ulta and Target have been getting my coin. Listen, Target has a great beauty section. I'm sure you know this, but if you don't know this, really pay attention. If you use like their Target Circle app or anything and you go in there and pick something up, pay attention to the coupon codes, because a lot of times they'll have sales like if you buy $20 in beauty, you get a $5 gift card that you can either use towards your purchase or use at a later time. So really pay attention to Target. Use your Ulta points. I'm telling you guys, the more you use, you'll get more. That's how I look at it anyway, but I think that I have stocked up sufficiently, unless it's something that's coming along that's just gonna blow my mind, or I need to re-up on my normal skincare like my Neutrogena and things like that. I think I'm good for the next couple of weeks with shopping for makeup and skincare. I think. We'll see. But on the other hand, I really did need some new products. Like, I've given away and thrown away so much makeup that either had expired or that I hadn't used in a few years and things like that. I just wasn't getting any use out. I have not purchased any new foundation because I feel like I'm good with my foundation for now, especially with the addition to this Mented Cosmetics foundation stick. I've been good. Like, this is what I've been using on my face, and I've been good. So, and then with not being outside and it's not sunny right now, I haven't gotten any summer color. So I'm good with foundation, which is why I didn't feature any here. But yeah, I've been shopping. That's what I've been doing during this quarantine. And what can I say, man? I'm addicted. Ulta is my jam. Target is my jam. Sephora is my jam. You know, I'm a beauty gal. What can I say? So have you guys been buying anything? What have you been doing during the quarantine? I cannot be the only one who gets excited when my package is delivered. I cannot be the only one. Let me know what you guys have been doing. Thanks so much for watching, hearing me unbox, seeing me get all excited about the products and everything. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, have you been shopping? I know you've been shopping, and I want to see what you got. So hit me up down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a like and a thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram. I put a lot of things on my IGTV. Lots of mini tutorials and all kinds of stuff over there. So I will link my Instagram down below. Don't forget to give me a follow over there. And until we meet again, friends, I will see you the next time. Happy shopping. Stay safe.